it's not always good that you spend on things that you want. It's things that you need.
Well, a want is something that you think you need.
I'll recommend it to my brother who always spends too much.
The more tools that schools have to engage people with financial information, and automatically then, especially at this stage, maths, the better, because people engage in different ways. So going through it in a dry lesson in maths in school will pick up some people, and I understand that, in a different perspective, means that other children will go, oh, well, this is quite fun and not scary, and then try and engage with it more.
Today we're at Wingfield Primary School running the Kickstart Money Twist programme, a series of highly interactive workshops designed to set positive money habits and behaviours from a very early age.
If you don't get rid of your bad habits quickly, it could have an effect on your everyday life.
I think that kids that don't have an understanding of how our financial systems work are going to set themselves up for being behind the curve when they're an adult. Everything from just being able to check your payslip and check that you're being paid the right amount and being taxed the right amount, to being able to engage with the online banking system and know what the options are. You know, we have to engage with it. We have to have mortgages. We have to have bank accounts. So young people need to know what that means and how to navigate through it.
A need is something that you need to have, like food and water and clothes and a shelter, a roof above your head.
You should always spend a little bit of money and save a little bit of money.
Some habits are good and some habits are bad.
I think if you can do it slowly from a very young age, then none of it feels so scary. So at the moment, my daughter's 10, she has a bank account. We talk about her saving money, and she gets a bit of pocket money, and then she can save it if she wants and put it in the bank account.
I just had my lunch. We came out and we went to my bank and we put in all the money I'd been collecting, my birthday money and my pocket money.
Introducing those concepts now means that when she's a teenager and maybe gets a part-time job, she's already comfortable with going to the bank or looking at statements online, getting statements. So then we can move it on to looking at her payslip and making sure that she's comfortable with what that aspect is happening, and none of it feels like a big, huge gulf of scary information.